Hey, what's up guys? These are the tools we're gonna use. Piston caliper tool, ratcheting, and pry bar. As a safety precautions guys, use a jack stand when you're working on cars. Alright, so we're gonna remove the bottom bolts for the caliper. It's 14 mil. Alright, use a pry bar if it's necessary to remove the pads. I'm showing you guys the pads, how worn out it is. It has 2mm left. What I have there is a Honda OEM brake pads. And as always make sure it's the right pad. Pair it with the old one. Is the right match. Confirm the pad's ears are exactly matched. Good. Now we're gonna push the caliper piston back. Okay, so that's done. Now we're gonna do some prepping, do some cleaning up. And we're gonna slide the caliper out so we can clean the slider pins. That way we can put a new lubricant on the slider pin, as well as the other side, the one on the bottom. So make sure that's clean. That's the easy glide that I use all the time for my caliper pin sliders. Alright guys, that's done for the sliders, so we're gonna put it back in. There you go. Now, since the OEM brake pads from Honda doesn't come with a bracket chips, we're gonna use the old ones, so I'll just clean that up. Swipe it down, get all the dirts out of there. And with this pads comes with the brake pad shims. For each pads comes with 2 pieces, so we're gonna assemble them together, and that's for the inner pads. As you can see, inner pads has that squealers. Now what I usually like to do is put some lubricant on the pads before putting on the shims, and you're just clicking in just like so. And for the outer pads, it's basically the same thing. So the chrome shims is always the outer part. And there you go, lubricate the pads before you put the shims in, and just click it in. There you go. Do this for all pads. Once again, that's for the inner pad. This is for the outer pad. Alright guys, we're done. So we're gonna apply some lubricants on the pad's ears. We'll put it in the brake. Alright guys, so we're done with that, and we're gonna install the brake pads starting from the inside. You can either go outside, inside, whichever way you like. Just slide in like that. Don't forget to put some lubricants on the contacts, inner and the outer. And there you go guys. Pads in. Be careful guys with these slider pins. It should be on the right position on the caliper, so that way you can easily put in the bolts. Otherwise, if it's not positioned properly, the bolts won't go in the hole properly. And the torque spec for this bolt is 25 foot-pounds. Alright guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching guys.